Don't know if you guys can see that sign out there because the light's very bright, but we are here at the Quality Inn in Branson, Missouri. We are going to take a room tour of room 233 and the Birch Suite. So let's go on in. So you're looking at a mid-stay cleaning here. See, we got deadbolt for the lock here. Latch lock that works really well. So let's take a look around this room. So right here we got a pull-out sofa for your living room comfort. Move a coffee table over here because we had to put because this is pull-out sofa. There we go. Got some more light in here. We have a nice large Samsung flat screen TV. I'll go ahead and turn it on for you. And if you see that cord, I have my laptop in here. It's hooked up to it. Here's the TV. And let's turn it off. Just like my TV at home. Let's go into the bathroom area over here. We have very nice space here. The ice bucket's in the other room. We have an older Sunbeam hairdryer. Very nice light. I think it's fluorescent. Look in the mirror. So, over here we got some hangers. There's a clothes rack. Most Choice Hotels properties have this. Let's look in the bathroom here. We've got a nice bathtub. Very nice water pressure. Crane plumbing toilet here. Let's flush it. Nice. So this is only one side of the room. We have a modern climate control unit here. It's a GE. I have it on fan only so it can be on constantly while I sleep. And here's the other part of the room. Over here we have an older Kenmore climate control unit. Nice stand lamp here. Go see out the window. It's dark out, so you won't be able to see much. There's the outside. We have a nice big king-size bed here. We have an alarm clock, which I'm not sure is showing the right time. So, unlike the other room, this room has lamps with outlets. It's actually a pet peeve of mine with them not being on the lamps in the other side in the other room. Excuse the mess of cords. This is where my grandparents are staying. You got a basic telephone here. Same TV as you saw in the other one. We got a Absol mini fridge, which is actually fairly big. And a Samsung microwave. Nice and clean. It's a nice fridge. Got some leftovers in here. Some coconut water. Been defrosted. The other bathroom's kind of the same, so there's no need to show you this one, but here's the other bathroom. Here's your coffee maker. That's the one with the pot. Here's the ice bucket. Nothing in it now. Got some in-room condiments and some regular coffee and decaf coffee. Also have some sweetener and a tea bag. Right here we have a newer Sunbeam hairdryer. These rooms are nice. This got a nice chair here. And here looks like we have a, I don't know if that's either a, I think that might be a Kidde smoke alarm. It's hardwired. Same with that one over there. Here's the guest service directory. Welcome to Quality Inn West. If we look out here, you can see IHOP across the street. Oh, there's the other building where the elevator is. Very nice pictures over here. I just did not notice that. Here you have Kleenex holder, like the box for the Kleenexes. Normally, I think they go, yeah. Goes right here. It's too dark, you won't be able to see it. Overall, this is actually one of my favorite hotels. You see a peephole out there. I can stick the camera there. This. I see you. Overall, the room's very spacious. Very nice pictures of guitars. I like that. I guess all I have to say now is that's it.